Hello, so this is Namo Shanji speaking here. I'm just gonna show you how the Swagger is gonna deploy my APIs and my contacts project. So if we go to localhost, then API docs here on top, we'll see that I'm on the Swagger website. All right, so if I do this, I come here. I want to use the get function. I want to use the get method. So what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll say try it out. Then if I say execute, then you see all this. There's this 1, 2, 3 values that I have, set of values. So this value, if you can see properly, this value, there's Zim and there's Kings, right? This is the information that I have. So for me to be able to get post contact, post is when I'm creating a contact, right? So I want to try this one out and see what's gonna come out. Okay, so it's the email. I'm gonna say munya@gmail.com. Then username, I'm just gonna say Anthony. Then last name, I'm gonna say ambulance. Ambulance is the last name. Then the name is going to be Joshua. Okay, so you can see that I'm writing using my camera because my laptop can't record. The color, I'm gonna say this little bit gray. Then the birthday, lady born on Christmas Day, 25/12/20 Okay, that's just the information we have. And the API address, what I can do is I can just come here and take the API address from here. So if I check the API address, I'm gonna come and paste it in here. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is fine here. I'm gonna just make sure it's fine. Okay, what I'll do is I'll then execute. Okay, if I say execute, what needs to happen now is I need to make sure that I see Anthony on if I press my get. Okay, so if I go to get and I execute, it must show for 4 values now. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. There is Anthony, which means the get is working. Yay, you're done. Then let's go to the next one. Let's get use the post. Okay, we just used the post now. This is the one that we used to create Anthony. So now we're going to use the get by ID, right? So what do we want to get? Let us get Zim. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy the ID. Then if I come down here, I'll go here. I'll first have to try it out first. If I try it out, I'll paste in the ID in here, then I'll create. All right, what I'll do is, if you can see, it shows code 200. Then here it's gonna pull up the information that I've created, that has come out. Like you see, it's showing code 200, which is our success code, which is okay. So that is working. Then after that, we are going to try out we did the post, which is to create. We did the get by ID. Now we need to put now we're going to modify. Okay, we're going to modify, but first we have to try it out first. So if you modify by ID, that's the one that we just did here, the Zim. Okay, so if you can see there's Harare, and there's Golista. We're going to change all of this, okay, but we're going to leave the email. So we're going to change 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's basically, I can copy everything. Copy everything here. Okay, copy. Alright, we have our ID already, so let's come here and I'm just gonna paste here and do this, close that. Okay, let's do this. So as for the ID, I'll leave it. The email, it's gonna be the same. Let's copy quickly. Okay, so seriously card. Then paste. Then username. Let's say Tariro 3223. Then last name is gonna be Jiri in caps to see the big difference. The name is gonna be Amanda. Okay, copy, see my changes. Then color, we're gonna leave it the same, pink. Then birthday, let's sing 14th February, Valentine, right? The month of love, so 2015. Okay, IP address, you can just check this one right here. Okay, that sounds right about it. Then remove this one. Then we make sure this one is fine. So what we do now is we execute. So what we want to check is this value, this set of information, the second one, where there's Harare and Zim, should be, let's see, it should be, since the ID is the same, should be updated. They should see Jiri and Tariro here and Amanda. So let's see if we execute. Okay, then this is what? This is there, it's successful, right? So to see that we've managed to do what we want to do, what we do is we execute the get and we check the first one, the second one. Tariro is there, Amanda, yay, well done. Now I want to delete. Which one can I delete now? Let me delete this one. Okay, I'm gonna delete the first one so that okay, copy. I'm not delete Valley. Okay, so this is done. Then we doing the last one, the delete one. It's this one. Okay, we come here, then we try it out first. We have to try it out. Then we paste the ID. So if we execute, it will say, okay, this shows that it has been deleted, just for us to confirm and to show that proof that the first one has been deleted. Okay, Vale Mutamula has been deleted. We execute. When we execute, we come back, we see Vale is no more there. There's Tariro, there's Kings, and there's Anthony. So it shows that our exercise is successful. Thank you so much.